Hello, it's the Valet Auto Sales shooting you a video over 1968 Olds Cutlass S coupe that we've just got in. This is a super nice car with a fresh restoration, just about 867 miles on the restoration. Very solid body top to bottom. Underneath of this car is just as solid as the top. It's got a nice new set of Riddler wheels and tires. Vinyl top is new, excellent condition. Glass is all real nice. Chrome's in good condition, nice condition, all replaced. It's had new quarters put on it. Done a real nice job. He did install the 442 bumper with the trumpet tips. Looks real nice. New chrome bumper. Silver metallic paint is a really nice paint job. Nice and straight down the sides. Does have power steering and brakes. Does have the console and bucket seats. The black and silver paint scheme is really sharp on it with these wheels. There's your bucket seats with console. Interior is extremely nice, all replaced or redone. Carpet's in real good condition, new. Headliner is new. Nice car. Fire it up here so you can hear it run. Car runs and drives good down the road. Got the original AM radio in it yet. Car has 97,857. Restoration was done right at 97,000 on it. It's got 800 and some miles on the restoration. Got a really nice exhaust note. Call us at 618-327-3000. We're Valet Auto Sales, Nashville, Illinois. We're open daily 8 to 6 and Saturday 8 to 3. You can also go to CyvaletAuto.com for more pictures of this car and this video. We'd love to have your business. We do accept trades and we do have financing available. Give us a call.